Girl, that's enough. It's time. I said, all right, God, I'm up. I'm getting up. I'm getting up right now.
Make it take my name, I'm gonna spouse you and make it touch your ring. I'm gonna take you all the way. Baby, can I take you all the way? You sexy motherfucker.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Brene, aka Be The Beat. If you didn't already know, and if you didn't already know, that means you are new here. I just want to say welcome on into the bleaching party, friend. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button. You're gonna love it here, friend. Like, we gets down over here. And if you are not new, welcome back. Thank you for joining me again. Thank you for sticking with me, girlfriend, okay? But today, obviously, like when y'all see me in this bathroom with this little sports bra on, y'all know we finna get it popping with bleach, okay? And I am praying that we have a good, positive bleaching experience this time, that we have an amazing outcome, that our hair is laid and not missing by the end of this video. Because if you're not new here, if you saw my last video, kind of like my hair vlog, girl, we had a little mishap on my birthday again, but that's okay because there's no pressure today. It's not my birthday. There's no pressure. The bleaching is going to go perfect today, okay? We're going to come out flyer than ever, okay? So this is what I'm starting with. This is what it's giving right now, okay? Little TWA action. Those little specks on top, that's like the old bleach, like I kind of missed when I was cutting it off. But yeah, so this is what we're working with right now. I am honestly having a little thinning on my edges, but that's from snatching my wigs off the wrong way. Like, I have not been properly removing my wigs, so I am having some thinning going on right here. If you wear wigs too, friend, then if you know, you know. Like, sometimes you just want to snatch that wig off quickly, and I have kind of damaged my edges from doing that. Wear wigs responsibly, remove them properly. But anyway, this video ain't about that. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on bleaching. Let me just give y'all this disclaimer. If you are new here, y'all, I'm not a professional. I am a DIY girly. Like, I've just been bleaching my hair for years, and yes, I have had mishaps with my hair falling out, okay? Just beware, enter with caution, proceed with caution. You gotta be brave to do this type of thing. But yeah, so today we're not gonna have none of that. Today we're gonna have a perfect outcome, Lord willing, fingers crossed, okay? First things up, you know, we got our mixing bowl, got our mixing brush, applicator brush. Now, this is my bleach of choice. This is a professional brand. You can get this in Cosmoprof, but also you can order it online, like through Amazon sometimes. Hopefully it's still in stock on Amazon. I will have everything linked down below for y'all. But this has been my favorite bleach ever since I tried it. Ever since I saw I think Slayed by Jordan on Instagram, ever since I saw him use it, I was like, yeah, okay. So this is what we're rolling with. And it is the Blonde Me Premium Lightener 9+, so it lifts up to 9 levels. And then I'm using the 30 volume developer today. This is what that looks like. It's a glare on it, sorry y'all. Yes, the 30 volume, 9%. So starting off, I'm gonna go with like 2 scoops. It does not come with a scooper anymore, but I luckily still have one of my old scoopers. Alright, so now with the developer, I honestly do not measure it. I just eyeball it until I get the consistency I'm going for. This is what we got so far, but I want mine a little looser than that. So I'm gonna add some more developer. Alright, this is more the consistency I'm going for, so... Oh, I almost forgot my Vaseline, okay? So I'm honestly barely got any left, but I'm gonna scrape what I can up out of here. I barely got any Vaseline. Hey, scraping. Y'all, this one ain't no sense. Be scraping the way I'm scraping. Alright, let's do this. I ain't never represent, baby. I can't do no wrong. It's good for you. Cause I wanna make it so badly. $1 million, baby. Hell no.
They say she get it from her mama. I was saying you fucking right. I'm trying to go up tonight. I think we deserve to ride. I've ever met in my life.
On my mama, on my hood, I look fly, I look good.
Your opinion is irrelevant, but I you think I'm fine. I put that on my
mama, on my hood, oh mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look fly, I look good. On my hood, I look fly, I look good. Alright y'all, so round one is applied. I really could have, like, I really feel like I needed maybe one more scoop, but bleach swells, so I'm just gonna let it swell and do its thing instead of mixing up more bleach. Yeah, but we're gonna do another round anyway, so we should be good. Bleach swells, so once it gets puffy, it's gonna, you know, cover everything else up, hopefully. I usually try to coat it a little harder than that, but them 2 scoops didn't go very far today. Alright, so I got my handy dandy shower cap. You can use a plastic grocery bag. You can use whatever you want, friend. But I actually do have some plastic caps this time. So, we're going to roll with that. And we're going to let her cook. Let me set a timer because if you know, you know, your girl be being forgetful. So, we're actually going to set a timer today. Okay. We're going to go for 1 hour. Okay. Let her cook and we'll be back. I'll see y'all in a YouTube second. Okay y'all, so the time is up. It's been an hour. I told y'all the bleach was gonna swell because now it look like a little afro. But yeah. Oh y'all, I just got a really great phone call, so I'm like geeking right now. But anyway, so it's time to wash this round out and then we're gonna go for round number 2. This is kind of where we are. It's definitely getting yellow, but it's okay. We're gonna rinse her out. We're gonna go for round 2 and then I'm gonna be back, okay? All right. Alright y'all, so this is after round 1. We're giving super yellow. We're giving mellow yellow can. But that's okay because we're about to go in round 2. And then that's really going to take us to where we want to be. And let's see. This is the back. I'm going to go 2 more scoops of bleach. Alright, so we got our consistency and let's go ahead and apply her. I did not shampoo my hair in between this time. Usually I shampoo the bleach out, but this time I just rinsed it.
Yeah, keep your eyes on me. Love from me, give it on. I wanna get so high, the spicy thing. Give it all you got. I'm a tough cookie, baby, hit the right side. Why you ain't fuck with me when I wasn't this fly? When you getting me like a candy cane. So I wanna
round 2 is on and popping. So now it's time to let her set. This time, I think we're going to go for like, we're gonna start off with 30 minutes. And then we're gonna come back and check and see what she's talking about. We're gonna start slow so we don't have no mishaps this time, okay? See y'all in 30. I washed out round 2, and this time I am using shampoo. I'm using the Olaplex purple toning shampoo, and I really like this shampoo. I've been using it for maybe like my last like 3 or 4 bleachings, maybe my last 3, girl, I don't know, but I really like it. Depending on how my color turns out after rinsing out the shampoo will depend on if we're actually going to tone her or not. I might just let the shampoo sit on there for a lot longer to tone it through the shampoo. Depends on how we looking, okay? Oh, and I actually ended up letting the bleach stay on there for like 35 minutes. I came and checked it at 30 minutes and I was like, I think I could go a little longer. So I set my timer for 15 more minutes. But then I was sitting there editing on my computer and something told me, girl, that's enough. It's time. I said, all right, God, I'm up. I'm getting up. I'm getting up right now because I literally felt it come over my body and say, the time is now, okay? And I don't want no more smoke with this bleach, okay? So I got up and rinsed it out immediately. So let's go ahead and rinse out the shampoo and see what she's talking about. All right, y'all. This is the finished look. Well, girl, not the finished look, but like this is what it came out looking like after 2 rounds and some purple shampoo. Now it is looking pretty good, pretty good, but I do think I'm going to I'm not gonna bleach it again, okay? Because I know some of y'all was side-eyeing like, girl, I know you not. No, I'm not gonna bleach it again. I'm about to use more purple shampoo. This is the shampoo that I use, the Olaplex 4P. I'm gonna slap it all over my hair and use it like a toner. I got that from my girl Danae. Check her out because she's a blonde baldy queen as well, and her hair ain't never fell out. Yeah, so I'm about to slap some more of this in as a toner and just let it sit for a few minutes. I just want to make sure it's extra icy, but I don't necessarily want to process it anymore with like a legitimate toner, because all the toners that I have are gonna add a little tint to it, like a little pinky tint or like a little champagne tint, and I don't want that. I just want it to remain icy. So yeah, and I'm gonna paint her on. She's on, she's painted, she's purple, and so I'm gonna let her process, well girl, not process, but I'm gonna let this shampoo sit in my hair for maybe like 3 to 5 minutes. All right, y'all, so this is what we're working with after the shampoo sit in, and which, yes, it's kind of like lavenderish icy gray, but that's all good. It's gonna, you know, tone itself down eventually. But I'm using this this conditioner that I had like a little sample of from Cosmoprof. Girl, I know my phone going on. It's by the brand Joico. It's the strengthen conditioner. I just had like a little sample pack, so I'm using that. Nothing too crazy. I'm gonna let that sit in here for a few minutes and then rinse my hair again. And should I do the mask? Got a little mask with it too. Girl, I ain't gonna do that. I just rub that all in, let it sit in for the 1 minute, then I'm gonna rinse it, and then we're gonna be done. We're gonna be good to go. The color came out lovely. Okay, perfect. Should I start her with y'all or should y'all wait for the next video? Let me know. It's gonna be too late, but yeah. So this is what the hair is looking like. I washed out the conditioner. The conditioner, and it looks really good. The color looks amazing. I need some hair oil and some like leave-in conditioner, but I don't have any right now. So I'm just going to use these two oils. I have some BioSilk, which I've never used this in my real hair. I actually only use this in my wigs, but I was reading it and it says you can use it in any hair texture, and it says you can use it on your skin. So I'm just like, for real? I've never used it on my skin before. And then I also have this vanilla everything oil, so this can be used on hair and skin. So I'm gonna use some of this too. I just want her to be moisturized, okay? So I'm gonna use a little bit of this vanilla oil first. We gonna try a little BioSilk. I don't know, I ain't never used this on my hair, my real hair. I only be using this on my wigs, but I'm gonna just use a little bit. Girl, that was not a little bit. I did not mean to use that much. I'm not using that much. I don't even use that much on my wigs. I'm wiping that off. Should have put it on my body. It said you can use it on your body. That's what I'm gonna do with excess. Okay. Let me find out when I start using BioSilk on my body. Look at them elbows. I know that's right. That wraps up this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope you are proud of me because we didn't burn our hair out today, friend. If you made it this far in the video, let me get a hand clap emoji because your girl didn't burn her hair out. Because if you watched my last video, then girl, it was a mess. But anyway, let me just do a little spin for y'all so y'all can see. Yeah. The color A down, period. Subscribe, like, share, comment, and all the things. I love y'all so much and thank you for watching. I'll see y'all in my next video. Beats and love. Okay, y'all, so this is like the completed look. I know I kind of closed the vlog out yesterday. What was it yesterday? Girl, it was like 2 days ago. But I wanted to actually show y'all my hairstyle just for a proper outro. So I know y'all have seen my hairstyle a million times, but it just didn't feel right me ending the video with like wet hair. You know what I'm saying? So this is how I styled it. This is like day 2 hair, so it's not the freshest, but you get the drift, okay? So you can see it dry, see it styled. It's cute, it gives. It was a perfect bleaching. Didn't none of my hair fall out, so I'm just so glad. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace and love.